Malo soy fua. So most of us know by now, when you want to make a verb negative, you just add the le in front of the verb. Like the word hate is ino ino. But since ino ino is such a strong word, you can tone it down with le fia fia, or don't like. This guy I kind of knew in the store, I didn't even want to speak to him because he's always got like a pyramid scam going on, something like that. I told him right away in English, le ai fafkai. So we started the small talk, and he asked me, how I'm doing. Faku, oh man, I'm doing great. Life is good. God is great. If I'm like, that's what's up. Wanna find my there? How's the family? Faku, oh, thanks for asking, bro. They're cool. Everything's great. If I'm like, oh, kaliaku. You just gonna yawn in your mouth like that, bro? When you're talking about now, about a verb that didn't happen yet, you take the le and you can make it le'i, as in uo ikalangoa aku yaki ia. I didn't want to talk to him anyways. I hope he passed out next time he yawned in his mouth at me.